If you're looking for a lunch or dinner recipe that is quick, delicious, and healthy, then you need to try this minced meat wrap, aka tacos. Let me show you how you can make it. So into a pan, we're going to be adding in some oil and then going in with our minced meat. So I'm using the 5% fat minced meat, but you can use any minced meat of choice. So we're going to gently break this apart and fry until it is no longer pink. So this is the color you want to achieve, and then we're going to go in with a little bit of white onions. You can also use red onions. Then we're going to stir this together for like 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we're going to be adding in some spices. I'll leave the full ingredient list in the description box. We're also going to be going in with some tomato paste. Here I used some peri sauce, but you can also use fresh tomatoes and just blend it up together. Then we're going to stir this together, and then we're going to add in some water. The water and tomato is just to give the minced meat some moisture. We're going to mix this together and then cover to cook for about 10 minutes. So while the minced meat is cooking, we're going to be making some sauce. Add in some Greek yogurt, a little bit of mayonnaise, sweet chili. You can also use sriracha and some seasoning. I'll be listing the full ingredient list in the description box. We're also adding just a little drop of some lemon and then water just to loosen the sauce a little bit. You can make the sauce as thick or as loose as you want it to be. We're also going to be making some cucumber and avocado salad by combining some cucumbers, tomatoes, a little bit of white onions and avocados. Then we're going to be crushing in some black peppers. Mix this together and then set aside. So after about 10 minutes, we're going to check on the minced meat, and this is what we want it to look like. It's moist and it's not dry. Then we're going to take this out in a plate because we're going to be using the pan to warm up our wrap. So I like to make a big batch of this minced base and just store in the freezer so that whenever we're ready to use it, we just bring it out and thaw it, and dinner will be ready in less than 15 minutes. So in that same pan, we go in with some mini tortilla wraps. We're going to also add in some cheese on top of that. I'm using some matured cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese of choice. Add that in, and then we're going to go in with the minced meat sauce, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, because we don't want it to spill out of the tortilla wraps. Then we're going to close this up and then just allow it to warm up and to crisp up a little bit. You can allow it to crisp up as much as you want. So if you've watched the video up until this point, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Okay, so when the tortilla wraps are crisped up to your liking, we're going to take this out, and then we're going to be adding in the cucumber and avocado salad and the sauce we made. And that's it. Dinner or lunch is ready, and this tastes so good. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. This recipe makes about 4 tacos. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will come your way again with another recipe.